Alright, I'm going to go over how to adjust the color scheme for the theme. So it's pretty easy. It's all done in one file. So if I go and open up our files and I go to style.css. So let's pop that open. And one thing to note at the top is a table of contents, and it's pretty useful. If you want to edit a certain thing, so if you want to edit the contact styles, for instance, go down to contact styles, yeah. So let's go and scroll down, so the section we're going to go to is number 3, commonly adjusted styles. So we scroll down, it's pretty much right there at the top. We're in commonly adjusted styles, and there's a couple of sections to make it really easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the top. Let's go ahead and adjust our header and footer background colors. So they're actually the same color, but you can separate them in the document if you want, or just copy and paste the same color code over. So the easiest way to grab color codes is from the live preview, actually. So I have the live preview open right here, and if I open up this color picker, we can use our header background and we can adjust the color. Let's go ahead and let's do a red. And once you've picked your color, you go here on the bottom and it gives you these numbers. And right here we can copy that, and that is the 6-digit code for this color right there for you. So let's go ahead and paste that into our document right here. Background color equals that 6-digit color code. Let's save that. So now when we refresh our color scheme, it changes, and it's really easy. It's all you need to do. That one 6-digit color code gets you that whole top. So our footer is the same color as before. So let's go ahead and just show you. We can paste that into the footer as well. Right here, save that, and then when we refresh, now our footer and our header are both that real bright red color. So you could take the 6-digit color code from anything, another program, Photoshop, but it's just kind of easier if you just grab it straight from here. So let's go ahead and change the footer color again. Let's change it to let's just do a really ugly green, but just so you can notice the color difference. So let's go ahead and change to that. And as I mentioned before, the color picker gives you the 6-digit code right here in this bottom right box. So if we paste that into our footer color, you save that, then we can refresh, and now our footer on our local files will be green as well. So it's just kind of easy to do it that way. A couple other things to note are the colors of the headings right here. Then we have our footer heading colors, just because the footer has white heading colors. And then if you want to change the body background, like this gray, right now it's just a background image. It's repeated, so you can change that to just a color, and you can change your default font. So on any page, all this font is the same color, which is provided here. Link cover. So these are just basically the most likely color adjustments and etc. that you'll make. You can of course go through the document and make a ton more changes as well. But as I mentioned before, number 3, commonly adjusted colors. Then if you want to change, for instance, the font, that's a number 2 right above that. And here's where the font gets pulled in. You can use Google web fonts. That's what we're using right now. You can either pull it in here or on your page via Google will give you some code, and then all you need to do is change this one line, and all of the custom fonts that are used in the navigation, headings, and etc. will be automatically updated if you change that. This is the only call to the custom font right here, so it makes it pretty easy.